What's good, guys? We are live. Wow, this has been a bit of a journey. Again, welcome. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We're on live here. This is my first time going live on Instagram. I think I'm also on YouTube as well. So again, if you haven't checked me out on YouTube, go and check it out. But thank you so much for joining me. Whether you're here in Australia, it's about 1:30 here right now. And then we've also got people in America. Obviously, it's probably close to 10 o'clock, 10:30 over there in America on the East Coast. West Coast, again, you know what you're here for. We're going to be unboxing, finally, we're going to be unboxing the ABC times Puma Fantastic Four collaboration. Over here in Australia, we've had a little bit of a, how do I say it, delay. I feel like people in America have been getting theirs in the last couple of weeks, and we've gotten, not that much. And unfortunately, this might be coming a bit late. Some people might be already sick of it. We've seen a lot of the pairs. I've seen the Thing, the Mr. Fantastic pairs. We've also seen, what else have we seen? The Invisible Woman pairs. But we're going to have a look at what I've got. I'm really hoping for the Galactus pair because I still haven't seen that pair. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. Hope everyone's having a good day, whether you're finishing up your day or like in Australia, you're in the middle of the day. We got the middle of the summer here right now, and gee, it's a stinker. Coming back from Christmas and New Year's and all the celebrations. I hope your families are all good as well. But here we are, man. Advisory board crystals. Just standard piece of paper, obviously no info there, but here we go. Silver packaging. It's a pretty heavy box. Like, it's very heavy actually. Like, seriously, I reckon at least 5 pounds, maybe 2.5 kilos. Got the little ABC RFID sticker there. But let's open this bad boy up. Now there is 2 boxes, so it comes in a regular box, and then you also can see a second box on the inside, which actually tells you what the character that you've gotten is. So, man, we've been waiting for these for a while, so this feels a little bit extra, but it's kind of cool to see them in hand. So first of all, the packaging, Marvel, ABC, it's pretty cool there. So hopefully everyone can hear me, see me well. But you've got the 7 characters right there. You've got the size guide on the side, little size there. Nice blue box here. As I said, very solid quality. But let's cut open the little Marvel tags. There we go. And it's the size 9. Yes, got my right size. So I'm not going to have any dramas with that. Majesty, Fantastic Four. Why am I'm a little bit nervous. Let's have a look. Blind look. Oh, there we go. The Mr. Fantastic pair. So I've seen this one before, but let's get them out of the box. Another little piece of plastic wrapping over the top there. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me again. Thank you for checking out this little unboxing. ABC Fantastic Four. It's been a while. Wild ride, but yeah, there we are. Mr. Fantastic is the one that I've gotten. Ooh. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. As you can see, it's got a nice kind of patterned leather around the top of the toe box here. You've got the little silver bit on the back here, on the heel tab, which pretty much everyone's gotten. Some very nice quality materials, like 2 extra pairs of laces on here. Got like a bungee lace, which is interesting because I'm assuming Mr. Fantastic, because he's a bungee kind of superhero. These laces are actually a bit stretchy, which is kind of cool. Wonder how that's actually going to feel though when you actually try and wear them. So you got Puma, shock wedge. Yeah, look really cool, guys. Really, really cool. What else do we get in the box? It's pretty much just the 2 shoes, to be honest, man. Like, that's it. It's just regular kind of paper. There's, yeah, nothing else in the box. Stick this back on top, but that's about it, guys. Like, I suppose there's a lot of hype, a lot of waiting, simply just for the one little pair of shoes. So, was it all worth it? I guess we'll just have to find out. I'm going to be doing a review of this shoe. Going to be doing a full breakdown, not only on YouTube but also on Instagram. So maybe a little bit of a debrief as to how this whole process went. One thing that I'm going to check, however, which I did get a tip off to, is check the production date on the shoe, because the whole appeal of this shoe originally was that they were going to be, shipped straight away, and it was it wasn't a pre-order, was basically what they were saying. But some people have said that their production date on their shoes is actually of November last year, which is about 4 months after the initial release date. So they're a bit stiff. They're a bit stiff. I'm having a look and I can't see any production date at the moment. Maybe my tag doesn't have it. I don't have any production date, but anyway, we'll get these ones on. You're going to check out my full review. There we go, guys. Nice little short live video for everyone. ABC, Marvel, Puma, unboxing. I got the Mr. Fantastic 4 pair, so that means that I still haven't seen anyone get the Galactus pair. But man, I'm pretty happy with this. Like it's you know, it looks good. It's a nice blue colorway, patent leather. I was really hoping I wouldn't get the Silver Surfer one because that's almost unwearable in my opinion, but I feel like this is pretty wearable. The blue, I don't know if anyone's actually gotten any of their pairs. Anyone who's joining live right now has gotten their pairs. Let me know what you've gotten in the comments, and if you're watching this after I've gone live, thank you so much for checking it out. Again, we're going to be doing a full review of these, but there we go. Whew. The end of the road, so to speak, of this entire saga of the ABC and Fantastic Four and Marvel. So again, that's a little unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Mr. Fantastic is what I got. We'll see you guys later. Thank you so much.